Now let's look at this very interesting question. This is one of the exam questions in Taiwan for middle school students, and we are given x plus b equals to 12. We need to find the minimum of this expression. What is the minimum? What is the minimum of this particular equation, right? So how do we actually find a minimum, right? Um, so we're gonna solve this problem by drawing pictures, right? So if we look at the first square root, it's a squared plus 4, and it's kind of easy to think of, 4 as 2 to the second power, right? And then the second expression is b squared plus 49, and it's easy to actually think of 49 as 7 to the second power, right? So what does it look like, right? So it looks like the edges, the two edges of a right angle triangle, right? Now suppose we draw a line. So this is going to be A. The length of this segment is going to be A. And then the length of this segment is going to be B, right? So A plus B equals to 12, which means the length of the entire line, the entire segment from here to here, is going to be 12, right? So this length is going to be 12, right? The whole length is going to be 12. So how do we actually construct a squared plus 4, right? We could do this. So we're gonna so we could draw a line with a length of 2 over here. So this is going to be 2, right? And then this is going to be right angle. It's a 90 degree, right? So if we connect these 2 points, then the length of this line is going to be square root of a squared plus 4, right? That's going to be this line. And then over here, we're going to draw another vertical line, right? We're going to draw another vertical line. And then this is going to be right angle, 90 degrees. And this length is going to be 7, right? And then if we connect these two dots, right? And this length is going to be square root of b squared plus 49, right? That's going to be the length of this segment, line segment, right? So what's going to be the minimum of square root of a squared plus 4 plus square root of b squared plus 49, right? What's going to be the minimum of this line plus this line, right? And we know that the shortest line between 2 points on a 2D surface is a straight line. So if these two line segments actually connects to a straight line, then we get the minimum, right? So if these two lines actually gives you a straight line from this point to this point, then what's going to be the minimum value, right? So at this point we can shift this segment to this side, right? Just shift it parallelly. So this is still going to be 90 degrees, and the length of it is going to be 2, right? And then we can connect the bottom, right? And the length of this bottom is going to be what? We know that a plus b is 12, so the bottom length is going to be 12, right? So this is 12. This side is 7 plus 2, that's 9. And this angle is going to be a 90 degree angle, right? Because we are shifting the entire line downwards parallelly, right? So that's going to be, so this length is going to be the square root of 12 square, right? That's this square plus the square of 9, right? 9 square, and that's going to equal to what? That's going to equal to 15, right? That's going to be equal to 15, right? Yeah, so the minimum of this expression is going to be 15, and 15 is the answer to this problem.